Okay, so we've got a 19 plate Range Rover Evoque. We put can immobilisation on with gearbox lock. So you will see we can start the vehicle, no problem at all. Engine starts and runs fine. I've not deactivated the immobiliser, so you'll see if I try to select the gear, okay, you'll see the system just will not let me select the gear. Okay, forwards or backwards, nothing at all, staying in parked. Okay, so we need to put the code in using a selection of button pushes. You know, up to 20 button pushes. We've done a selection of 5 on this vehicle for the customer. So we put that in now. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get a flash there of the indicator warning lights. Now we select the gear again. Reverse. You see reverse is fine. Drive is fine. Back to park. And then when you turn the engine off, auto arming of the immobiliser is as soon as you open the driver's door, and displayed by 2 flashes of the indicator warning lights to say the system is now armed and protected.